Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get distinct/unique data in Excel using the unique function versus the remove duplicate option under the data tab. Alright, so here we go. If you wanted to use the remove duplicates function, you just go ahead and highlight the area that you want to use, copy it, and then you paste it wherever you want. And then you go ahead and hit remove duplicates. It's going to ask you if you have headers. In my case, because of what I chose, I'm going to choose no, and then just go ahead and hit OK and press OK. And there you go. Those are my unique/distinct fruit colors. Now, something I want you to pay attention to is as I click on the different cells, I want you to take note of the fact that what you see here in the function area is the actual name of the different colors. That's going to be important when we look at the unique function. So next up, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates with the unique function. And you do this by typing equal unique, open parentheses, you highlight the data that you need, press comma, and then it asks you if you want to look by row or by column. In this case, we want to look by row, so we type false and then comma. And then it basically is telling me, do I want to remove all of the duplicates, or do I want to show only the items that show up one time? So I'm going to show you both things so you can kind of understand what I'm saying. So right here, if I put false, close parentheses and enter, what you see here is it gave me the same values as I got when I did the remove duplicates earlier. All right, so that's one thing. So the next thing I wanted to show you is there's another part of the function. So I go equal unique, open parentheses, I highlight the data again, I put comma, I put false because I want to search by row, and this time I'm going to put true, and I'm going to show you what happens here. I only get 2. That's because in this list, black and tan only show up one time. So you can get distinct, meaning that you remove all the duplicates, or you can also use unique to get items that only show up one time in your list. So I wanted to show you something else as well. You can see when I click on these cells right here, in this function section, it only shows you the function because that's what's recorded here, right? Like I showed you guys before, these that I did with the remove duplicates section in the data tab, it retains the name of the colors, but over here it's just a function. So one thing that is interesting, so I'm going to go back over to the data and I'm going to put the word purplish, and what you'll see is because of the fact that I use that unique function, it updates the list over here and over here. So purplish only shows up one time, and then over here obviously because we removed the duplicates. But I wanted to show you one other thing. So say I turn another one of these into purplish. So what you saw here is the purplish stayed here and then it was taken out of this list. So I thought that was something interesting to show you guys. So one other thing I kind of forgot to mention earlier. So if you noticed, when I used the remove duplicates option under the data tab, it brought over the formatting. Nothing to fear here. You just have to highlight that area. Go ahead over to the home page, go to clear, click down and clear formatting, and that will clear your formatting if you needed to do so. So just because it took over the formatting doesn't mean that it messed up your worksheet. You can always just clear out the formatting right there. So I thought that was something helpful to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Please come again. Take care. Bye.